Okay, sithola ke manje ku number 28 sithola equation yomuqa or tangent kule curve lena kuleli point leli. Singa-checka ukuthi le point leli likhona yini kule curve lena, siyathola ukuthi ngempela likhona. Ngakho ke sizofuna ke i-derivative y prime and sizoyithola nge-implicit differentiation ngenxa yokuthi lena i-implicit function bese sesithola ke i-equation yomugqa wethu oyi-tangent. So sizo-differentiate lapha siyathola ukuthi i-derivative ka-x to the power 2/3 is 2/3 x to the power negative a third. Sesithola lapha ukuthi i-derivative lena u-2/3 y negative a third. Ngenxa yokuthi y siyakhumbula ukuthi i-implicit function ka-x ngakho sizomultiply lapha ngo-y prime and then i-derivative ka-4 u-0. Sesithola ke ukuthi i-derivative ubani, singa-simplify lapha sithole ukuthi i-derivative lokhu kuyakhansela, i-derivative yethu kuzoba u-minus x to the power negative a third times y to the power a third wethu. Ngakho ke sizothola ke i-derivative ngokuthi substitute x is equal to 1, x is equal to negative 3 root 3, y is equal to 1. So sithi ke y prime, sithi x is equal to negative 3 root 3, y is equal to 1. Lokho kuzosinikeza i-gradient ye-tangent yethu. Okay, sifika lapha ke sithi u-y1 lokhu kuba u1. Lapha u-x is minus 3 root 3. So sithi lokhu kuzoba u3 root 3 minus 3 root 3, sithi this to the power minus a third negative. Bese sesizama ukuthola ukuthi lokhu kuyini. Sizokhumbula ukuthi u3 root 3 uyafanana no square root of 3 cubed. Lama negatives lawa ayakhanselana, then sesithi lokhu to the power negative a third. Siyathola ke ukuthi lokhu kusho u1 over square root of 3.